Good morning, everybody. It's me, Arabi Susi, your teacher of English. Today, inshallah, is a lesson of writing. It's about writing a formal email. In class, we studied how to write a formal letter. Now, writing a formal email is almost similar. No difference. I will just make sure you understand a few points concerning writing an email. So, an email outline should include these three elements: an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. Normally, as we have said in the formal letter, in the introduction we write reasons why you decide to write the email or the formal letter. Why did you decide to take a pen to write a formal letter or to take the keyboard and write an email? Why? What are the reasons that push you to write the email? In the body, you actually write or speak about the topic of your email, موضوع الإيميل ديالك. You write about it. And the conclusion, normally you finish your email with a sentence or two that shows the end of your email, and it can be a request, a hope that the topic you are speaking about in the body will be dealt with or taken seriously. Let's see the example. Let's speak about the example in your books. Ticket to English, your books, page 120, the lesson of writing, an email to the United Nations. So your topic is right here. So they gave you a website. It's about an advert on the internet that you read and you decide to participate in what the advert is asking for. I give you an example. I read. Millions of children are unable to go to school because it is miles away or because their parents can't afford the expenses. As they become adults, they probably won't earn enough to send their own children to school. So the cycle of poverty will never stop if we continue to be careless. You can make a change. You can help eradicate. Eradicate means stop, to make. Eradicate illiteracy and poverty from the world. Join our 1 million email campaign. So the email is speaking to you. This advert is speaking to you. Send an email to the United Nations. Urge, encourage, help. Urge this organization to give priority to literacy. Here is the United Nations email address. They give you the address, the email address. For more details on our campaign, Hamla, visit our website www.campaignforeducation.org. Now, the introduction here. How are we going to write the introduction? In the introduction, you should mention that you read the advert and that you decided to join the campaign by writing an email to the United Nations. So normally the introduction, we can get it from the topic they give you during the day of the exam. Now for the body is going to be sentences in which you urge, you encourage, you push the United Nations in order to take part in eradicating illiteracy and poverty all over the world. And for the conclusion, you can write a sentence about hoping that this email will be taken seriously and the United Nations will stop eventually and eradicate poverty and illiteracy. So I want you now to try and write an email with these elements in mind. But please don't forget the salutation. The formal salutation, dear Secretary General. I'm going to clean this one here. So don't forget the salutation and the signature. The salutation and the signature. Please don't forget them. So dear Secretary General, comma, of course, capital letter, capital letter, capital letter. So this is a formal salutation. And you write your introduction here, then your body here, and concluding sentence here. And of course, don't forget this signature, yours faithfully, for example, and comma. And please, in the exam, do not sign your letter. ما تكتبوش سميتكم في اللتر ديالكم or email ديالكم. It is forbidden to write your name or to sign your email or letter. I hope the formal email is clear. So now try to write an email, please. And if you need any help, you can get in touch with me. You know how. Bye.